A couple weeks ago, Remax mailed us something, and so I was really excited to open them up and find that our team was recognized individually. And this is Susan's award, and so you guys all were recognized at your level, and obviously a lot of people don't get awards, so we were really pleased that our whole team were mailed awards. That's awesome. And so apparently in February they had their Vegas Remax where I mean it's like thousands and thousands of people go.
International.
It's crazy. Maybe one year we'll go. Bon Jovi. So they apparently you can go to Vegas, you can fly and buy your ticket and buy your, it's all the big production, but you can walk across the stage and get your thing. I was like, well, maybe one year we'll do that. So as you guys know, we were recognized as third place for commissions earned last year as a team. So we have this beautiful little award. What I actually was really pumped about is there was another award in the box. So I was like, okay, well, what does that mean? Well, it meant we actually were #1 for transactions. Yeah! Nice! I was really excited. For South Carolina, we were the #1 team for property sold. And so there's a billboard coming out tomorrow with your faces on it. Celebrating this. I like my black. So we just found out we were opening up some boxes. We had been sent some awards from Remax and we knew about some of them, but we were really excited to find out that not only were we the #3 team in South Carolina with our commissions earned, but we actually were #1 with the properties, the amount of properties that we sold in 2017. So I was really excited to tell everyone that we were actually #1. So we're enjoying that this week. Having a lot of fun with that.
A client left them in the unit, and so he needs them sent to him.
Great.
It's important documents.
All right, so we're going to mail these?
We're going to ship them to our client, yeah.
Okay.
That was going to be my question.
It's not heavy. It's a heavy
Oh my
deal.
gosh.
Yeah, I don't know what's in it.
Like, ready?
I feel like we should.
I really do need a workout. When work is a really big workout. Oh my gosh. And if you need just a little bit of water.
It's important to hydrate.
Okay, so this is a great brand. It's Jude Connolly, and I love to kind of gravitate to this brand because it's really comfortable. I think it still looks professional, but if I'm traveling, I can, not that I'm wadding up a bunch of clothes, but it travels very well, and you can just kind of hang it up and it's ready to go. I think they look really fresh, so it's just one of those brands I look for when I'm at Pink Havana. I bought matching mother-daughter Lily dresses for Easter. It was cute. Or at least I thought it was cute. Yeah, I think we can get away with a lot more here. Actually, a lot of agents don't even dress professionally at all. They dress like they're going out on the beach. So we do take it up a little bit, but I think we can get away with a lot of bright colors because it's, more of a tourist destination, beach location. A lot of people are excited about coming to the beach, so they don't mind us dressing a little casually.
There you go. Good to see you. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
All right. Nice to see you.
We'll be back. Thank you. So I was given one of these from Studio 77, a really cool keychain as a gift, and they've become very popular. I had one of my clients, who's also a friend, she spotted mine, really liked it, so at her closing I was able to come pick her one up, and she was so excited. She texted me, she said, you know, I really love my house and I love my keychain just as much. So I was really excited, and so I've been picking up a few more of these for closing gifts. Okay, let's see, we got 10 minutes. We can do it. So some of the luxuries of living in Myrtle Beach, I just got to drive a beautiful path of the Golden Mile of Myrtle Beach, going to a walkthrough. There's going to be a closing tomorrow, so we're going to walk through with our client and make sure everything's in working order. But what a beautiful day. We're so glad that spring has finally arrived.
Okay.
Thanks so much
Thank
for
you.
the opportunity.
Nice meeting you
Nice to meet
finally.
you too. I know.
Yeah.
This week everyone's been so busy. I feel like we haven't seen much of anyone. There have been a lot of showings, a lot of people traveling, getting over spring break. It's just been a really busy time, and I've missed some people. So next week we're excited to have everybody back in kind of the office, and the spring has been busy. We've got a lot to look forward to.